crystal limb is very outstanding and they get busy.
Plant a acre in Jamaica. Smoke the best in my raw brown paper. Shake the shaker. Then you play that one, you fit the ganja haters. Spliff a light spliff, so do not fight it. This
is the Spliff A Light Spliff series with Yaadcore, Itopia Life, and you know I deal with a strain review. Saying greetings to all who tune in right now. We interview the herbs. Yeah, CRUMBLE Lime is the strain where I go review this episode. Seeing we feature the Pinnacle first, we feature the Royal Dank, yeah, and it did well stand. Now we're on the crumbled lime. And you know it's at the right time. Yeah, Itopia Life. It's the Itopia Life. CRUMBLE Lime, or from you hear the name lime, you know, say citrus. You know, we are talking about a citrus terpene. Saying lemonade to be exact. Same thing when your orange rind, man. Whole heap of cancer healing benefits. A lot of cancer healing benefits. If you don't understand patois, it's a blessed plant. You understand? Like, I just want to start roll right out. I'm not even not true, so well dusty. Yeah, man, so them crystals are well dusty. That herb you know, color well bright, well limey. Dense. That me like about them herbs, you know, them full of body, you know. Don't waste no time, cause the crumbled lime, I roll it up right away. I'm so excited, man, not even check out the fragrance. Same lime, man. Sweet and limey. Sweet and sour, you know. And don't forget, if you can't roll your spliff, you understand, see it's a pre-rolled for the item who can roll a spliff, you know. Make sure you crush them out nice. And then you know, add the spice. Natural tobacco, you know. Vital is vital, so we use natural tobacco. Don't forget to crush your paper. See, because yeah, it make it nice and smooth, you know. Well soft. Spliff hard off a bun one side, you know. Yeah. But the CRUMBLE Lime, Spliff A Light Spliff, CRUMBLE Lime.
So do not fight it. This summer panadol, this summer night will. Babylon them shoulda never walk. Lock up anyone for just a little.
Limey. Oh, for real, you know when, you know how lime have that kick there. You know, as sour, but it have that musk there where lime give. The aftertaste where lime give. But the sour, you know. The hit not as sour, but the aftertaste smooth too. Rude too.
Do not fight it.
Not as kicking like the indica them. That's more smooth, you know. Yeah, buzz like, yeah. Up.
This summer panadol, this summer night will. Babylon them shoulda never walk. Lock up anyone to just
Yeah, man, so if you're a newcomer to smoking, CRUMBLE Lime is definitely a strain where you must try. Nice and smooth, not too strong on the chest, you know. The flavors, as the name mentioned, crumble lime, it have a limey flavor, as I tell you. The aftertaste of lime have it kind of have for your tongue. And remember now, these are Itopia Life packs. See, orange flavor and sweet flavor, so they might tell you, say, yeah, lime is sweetie, crumble lime, you know, crumble lime. Effects: euphoric, relaxing, focus. So you know, say that give the up vibes. Make you feel like you're speedy, like you just really have some weed when make you want to just relax on the couch, and that weed that give you focus and, you know, build up your energy. And naturally, appetite. See, come in and say a herb when I really stimulate your appetite. See, the lineage, citron cookie, which is jelly bean mixed with Girl Scout cookie. So the Girl Scout cookie are one of my favorite strains. You know, which is also a hybrid, the citron cookie, and now the biker kush, which is an indica. The therapeutic recommendations now, it's good for stimulating the appetite, you know, which is part of the effects, as I said earlier. Now your creative energy and the upliftment vibe now, seeing that the speedy vibe I give you, the focus energy. So speaking of appetite, yeah, we're going to feature some more Itopia Life products other than the hemp seed, which we've been a use. Now we're going to feature also the hemp seed oil, seeing beneficial factors now rich in omega acids and important dietary essentials. This now is not from the plant itself, this is actually from the seed. You understand? Hemp seed oil can be used as a daily supplement or as a topical for a healthy skin, so you can rub it on your skin, see, put it in your food, as I say, to boost your immune system. Now, I guess you will decide how much you want to use. Just like how you see them again medicine in the pharmacy for this and for that. I saw them thing at work. Right now I have some melon and some apple. I add the hemp seed. You know about this already. If you don't know about this, trust me, I miss out. I don't even have no taste, right? You know? You prevent, alright. Them things you can get to your children, you know. Healthy supplements. As usual, you know more than box off the whole of this. You know, so showing the vibe. How you can incorporate herb products that's healthy for you. Because herb is not all about smoking. See me? Don't forget, when you tune in, Spliff A Light Spliff, you walk in Itopia, Spliff A Light Spliff, and you get your discount on anything when you purchase. So I want the item to like, share, comment, share the profile, share the strain review with your friends. Check out Yaadcore, check out Itopia Life, all social media platforms. Get busy for shizzy. So check it out. Next episode, we're running on the Get Busy.
Me not like Bill, but the marijuana that me call me night will. Eyes them a bleed, but me got my sight still. Them couldn't trick me with them bag of liking. Me not fried.